So this roof has 2 layers of shingles. That is not a great idea. It's not a good thing to have, just because the additional layer of shingles will help trap all that hidden moisture inside the attic, so it is going to be harder for your attic space to breathe. And if you don't have good ventilation on top of that, that's going to make it even worse. And when you have issues with ventilation and excessive moisture in the attic, something that can happen is nail pops. Nail pops are very common in shingled roofs, and this is what I mean by nail pops. So this is a low nail. So this is a low nail and a nail pop, because if we zoom in, we can see how that nail head is not sitting flat against the shingle anymore, because it's starting to pull up. But I have a better example of that. Let's take a look at that. You see how that nail head is pushed up? It's actually pushing on this top shingle. So that there's an opening there at the base where water can seep in, and it is seeping in. This roof is leaking. There's several of those. I have just inspected this roof, and there are various of these nail pops, unfortunately. So this is going to be I'm going to make the recommendation to replace this roof, because there is just too many of these nail heads that are either low or popping up, or both, and that just ruined this roof. It is leaking pretty badly. I'm gonna go inside the attic and do a complete inspection there, so that I can assess the ventilation and the condition of the plywood, so that we get ready for providing the homeowner that an accurate quote for the replacement. But the point is, I wanted to show you what bad ventilation can do, and also the fact that the 2 layers, never a good idea. So if you're having your roof replaced, have it replaced. Don't put a layer on top of it, because this is something that can happen. And always check for ventilation. Make sure the ventilation is right, so that this doesn't happen 5 or 10 years down the road, when your roof should be lasting 25 plus years. Hope it helps. Thanks, guys.